Hello everyone, my name is Mario Restrepo with the Vargas team, and today we are showcasing a beautiful signature residence at Reach Condo. If you're not familiar with Reach, it is one of the two towers in the development formerly known as Reach and Rise, located directly above Brickell City Center. Reach is the definition of work and play, as you are just steps away from everything Brickell City Center has to offer. From dining and shopping to entertainment and nightlife, you are just an elevator ride away. This 3-bed, 3.5 bath with a den comes fully furnished with an expansive terrace overlooking the Miami River and the city skyline. It is on the market for just $9,000 a month. This 43-story tower overflows with green spaces and top-tier amenities, including a fitness center, heated pool with poolside bar and cafe service, treatment rooms, spa rooms, and access to a fully equipped business center. Let's get started with this week's tour. Enjoy.